everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 4, step 1 of the Shim Sham Shimmy. We're getting near the end because we are on the last part. So this one is called Revenge of the Shim Sham. This whole part 4 is Revenge of the Shim Sham. So this is part 4. If you haven't yet learned part 1, 2, or 3, I would recommend going back, watching those videos, learning that all of those sections, those parts, and then coming back and learning part 4, because all the different parts of the Shim Sham build on part 1. So I would recommend starting there and then working your way up to part 4. So you can find those linked in my description box below. They're in my Shim Sham Shimmy playlist. I believe that's the title of it. So let's go ahead and get started here. Part 4, step 1, Revenge of the Shim Sham. So we're going to start stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. So it's like the Shim Sham, but it's a little bit reversed. Okay, so starting on the right foot, we're going to go stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. Now, some people do their Shim Shams with a shuffle. I tend to do it with the stomp. It's really up to you and your preference. I like the stomp better than the shuffle. So on the right foot again, we have stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. Same thing on the left side. Stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. Then we're going to do just 3 of the stomp, spank steps. Stomp, spank, step, 2. We're going to do a slight hold, and then we're going to do 4 stamps. Left, right, left, right. Okay, so again, we have, starting on the right foot, stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step, left. 3 singles. Hold. Stomp, stomp, or stamp, 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 stamp. 4 stamps. Okay. Then we're going to do the same thing, but starting on the left side. So after the stamp, stamp, we're now going to do it on the left side as well. Stomp, spank, ball, change. Stomp, spank, step. Stomp, spank, ball, change. Then we have 3 of the singles. Stamp, stomp, spank, step. Stomp, spank, step. Hold. Stamp, 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 stamp. 4 stamps. This time starting on the right foot. Right, left, right, left. And that's the whole part 1 right there. So we've already done part 1. So let's go ahead and, or not part 1, excuse me, step 1 of part 4. So that's step 1. That's the whole thing right there. So let's try it again. Right side into left side, nice and slow. These also start on 8. 8, 1. So that's how I'm gonna count them in. So I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, let's go from there. Starting from the top of this section all the way through, nice and slow. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. Stomp, spank, ball, change. Stomp, spank, step. Hold. Stamp, 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 stamp. Left. Stomp, spank, ball, change. Stomp, spank, ball, change. Stomp, spank, step. Hold. Nice. Nicely done. Let's try a little bit faster here. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7. Hold. Left. Stomp, spank, step. Hold. Nicely done. Very good. So I told you that you can also do it with a shuffle. You would just replace the stomp, spank with a shuffle. So you could go shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, hold, and then same thing on the left. So if a shuffle is a preference for you, you can totally do a shuffle instead of a stomp, spank, excuse me. I can't speak today. All right, let's try it faster, starting on 8. This is the last time we'll do it. And if I went through anything too fast, just remember you can pause, you can rewind, you can slow it down. You can ask me questions in the comment section below. So we're going to try it faster here, okay? Here we go. Faster. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7. Hold. Hold. Nicely done. Very good. All right. I will be posting step 2 in the future, the near future. So watch for step 2, and then we'll just keep building on that. We're going to finish out this Shim Sham, and we'll have the whole thing done. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you have a question, also put them in the comment section, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.